it up. Getting ready for the show this weekend. Let's go stop them out. So we're on a crunch time for this weekend for the show. It's a 2-day show. We got 4 wheels back there, so that's 2 sets for the burnout pit. I got another set in the garage. So we're gonna take a total of 3 sets, total of 6 wheels. So we're finna swap them out in my other house. I got my tire machine, balance machine over there, which I'm not gonna balance them, I'm just burning them out. So stick around. On the way there, we finna stop at my boy Josh's house. I sent him with a converter to do a trade for a motor the other day, and the dude wasn't ready. So he took the converter for nothing. It's a 3200 stock converter I was trading. So I gotta go pick it up. So in case on my way back from the show this weekend, I can stop by and make that trade or sell it or something. So I can get me another 6.0 for the project truck, the single cab that we picked up. With that, let's pick it up. Oh yeah, man. Also, Josh, he's sponsoring us a trailer. It's a 2-car hauler, so we can take the Z01. We're gonna take the burnout truck because he has a trailer rental business, and he's sponsoring us the 2-car hauler gooseneck trailer he just got for the whole weekend. So that's our only sponsor we got so far. I mean, any sponsor is better than no sponsor. I appreciate it. I really need that trailer so I can take the Z01 because I got 2 spots accidentally. So with that, he's helping us out. He said he would sponsor the trailers, so I told him to get some stickers made. Or I could make them, either or, to put on the truck, man. You gotta show him off, you know? He's helping us out, we help him out, get his business out there. Y'all need any trailer rentals, man, West Texas. Or cars hauled, man, he hauls cars on the side too, so he's got a 24-foot trailer. He's got that, well, I think it's a 36 that he's letting us borrow, that he's sponsoring us. He's got that 36, he's got that 20-foot car hauler, 24-foot car hauler, equipment hauler. It's 2-in-1. He's got them beefy axles. He's got utility trailers. I think he's even got a table and chair rental business on top of that. So, man, y'all need any of that? He's in Pecos, Texas. I know he rents out to Odessa, Midland, Fort Stockton, Kermit, anywhere. Carlsbad. He will pick up also, so y'all hit my boy up. Alright, well, we got these little cheap tires from Amazon. They were like $114 a piece, plus tax, of course. We're gonna throw those on the SS wheels we burnt off at the last show. So we're doing those. I got those stock 20s, LTZs. I got a whole set of 4, which 2 of them have 2 good tires. We're about to put those 2 used tires I had at my house thrown in the back, which I got 4 of those tires, so I'll have another 2 extras in case we need another set. So, all right, so in total, with the ones that are on the truck with the new tires, these 4, and then the other 2 LTZs, we'll have 8 wheels and tires to burn off. So it's pretty good. Hopefully we make it the whole 2 days, and now we'll end up having to look for some used tires out there in Lubbock. So this is my storage / where I do my tires. I don't have a shop no more, so all my stuff is just everywhere, man. So don't want to show you too much. Get some goons in there trying to break in or something. I got cameras everywhere though, everywhere. Look at that. So let's get these tires put on. All right, well, let's get, first things first, gotta let all the air out these wheels. They all still got air now. Oh, look at that. 22. These are my favorite wheels, man. So I got 2 sets. Had to get 2 sets. Okay, that's one. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll try to roll off. You see that? I done dropped the core. I got a whole bag full of new ones. But I did lose one. I saw this thing rolling. Look, she was slowly creeping. Look at that. Look at this. Because the burnout ones, I mean, I want them all scratched up, even though they're a little scratched already. And as soon as I say that, this mofo falls over. We're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. These are the LTZs. They're older. Man, what are they? I believe they came on Tahoes, man, I don't know. 10, 11 Tahoes. I don't know. These are flat from where I did that last burnout competition. Last year in December, that pinwheel toy drive, yeah. I just never replaced them because I got the SS spoles. And I've been replacing those constantly. So, we do got the caps too. I'll probably only show you the first one, man. Too time consuming on this camera. I ain't bring my stand. Check it. The little bead breaker. Self-explanatory. Let's see. Boy, look at that. You got a tire machine, man. It makes life. Get out of there, bro. Looks like. There's our second wheel. The other phone ran out of storage. But second wheel. Every now, these tires are huge, man. The 275/60 is the biggest tires I ever ran. I hope they clear. And I hope they don't rub the bed. If they do, oh well, this will be the last resort. Burnout wheels. We got 6 other ones, so wait for it to pop and check it. We ain't even at 35 yet. But this thing need a pop. Might not have enough. Yeah, these air holes probably. Darn tootin'. Look at that size. Oh! Needed y'all to see it, huh? Alright. So now, one was at 40. We don't want that much air, so let's release them. You're gonna get a little loud. 22s. can get past the wires, but they next. I wish I'd have brought my phone stand, man. Voila. Just like that. She out. Get out the way, bro. Time for that new. These are a little smaller than those, but the burnout was, man, I had to go cheaper. Them other ones, when I bought those recently too, before that other show I went to in Hobbs, those were like $4 something for 2 tires, maybe. Yeah, they're like $150, $160 a tire or something like that. Look at that. Sorry I was in y'all's view. But I ain't got nowhere else to put the phone so I can see. My bad. I'm putting on new valve cords, man. I ain't trying to have no problems. On new news. Oh, shit. Sorry. I hit the pedal a little too far. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't film me now. Last time we mounted these, what was the other test was the new ones? These are the used ones. Man, we fought these damn tires. Every single one of them, one of the corners didn't pop till we hit about 90. It was bad. Ooh, man. Yeah. That's what I like right there. Hey! Look at these 17s. My buddy had laying around. I don't want to blow out these Ultra-Raids, so we got these off of an older Ford pickup that I had laying around. I don't even know where the size of that. There it is. Yeah. So swapping these two and the other two from yesterday. I'm gonna do these oil changes real quick. Crunch time. We gotta take off tomorrow. Look at that. Crunch time. We got these shocks to replace. Before we take off, I gotta go pick up the trailer. Truck's clean, ready to load. And my boy came through while I was at work. Detailed the Z01, so get these shocks replaced real quick. The Mamalona. So we can go get that trailer and get going. Crunch time, baby. Shocks are done. Now let's go get the trailer. Start loading these cars up.